Lingportal Gentle Podcast to Fluency.
The power of daily practice. Why 10 minutes a day is better than 2 hours once a week. Hello and welcome to Lingportal. My name is Ben, and this is your calm space to listen, to reflect, and to grow in English step by step. Today, I want to tell you something very simple but very powerful. How 10 minutes every day can change the way you learn. 10 minutes. It doesn't sound like much, but if you stay with me until the end, you will see why these small minutes can be stronger than long hours. And now, let's begin this journey together. Repeat after me. I can learn step by step. Small moments matter. I'm ready to begin. Part 1. The secret of consistency. Learning English is not a race. It's more like learning to play a song. If you play the guitar only once a week, your fingers forget the melody. But if you play a little every day, your fingers remember the rhythm. They start to move naturally. Your brain works the same way. It learns by repetition, small and regular. Every time you learn English, you make a tiny connection inside your mind. And the next day, when you repeat, that connection becomes stronger. Think of it like walking on a path in a forest. The first time, the grass is tall. It's hard to walk. But every time you walk that path again, the grass becomes lower. The way becomes clearer. That's how learning works. The secret is not how long you study. The secret is how often. Now you try. I can study a little every day. I can keep going. Consistency is my strength. Part 2. Small steps, big progress. Let's imagine. You study for 10 minutes every day. You listen, read, repeat, or shadow. 10 minutes a day is easy. You can do it while drinking coffee, while walking, or before going to bed. 10 minutes feels small, but 1 month later, you've studied 5 hours. A year later, 60 hours. That's more than many people do in a classroom. But the difference is, you didn't feel tired. You didn't feel pressure. You just built a rhythm. And rhythm is stronger than speed. Imagine your English like music. Slow, soft, regular, always moving forward. Say after me. Small steps bring big progress. I am building my rhythm. My progress grows every day. Part 3. A story. James and the Habit. Let me tell you about James. James wanted to improve his English, but he always said, "I don't have time, I'm too busy." He tried to study for 2 hours on Sundays, but every Sunday something came up. A visit, a trip, or just no energy. So he skipped the lesson again and again. Then he changed his plan. He said, "I can't study for hours, but I can study for 10 minutes every day." Every morning, while drinking coffee, he listened to a short English story. He didn't take notes. He didn't worry about grammar. He just listened and repeated. After a week, nothing special. After a month, something changed. He started to understand more. He remembered new words without trying. His brain was ready every morning, like a muscle that had finally woken up. That's the power of small steps, done every day. Now your turn. Repeat after me. I can do a little every day. My small actions create big change. I am becoming stronger. Part 4. Why daily practice works. There are 3 simple reasons why this method works. Reason 1. Your brain stays active. When you connect with English every day, your brain keeps the door open. It doesn't forget between lessons. It stays in English mode, ready to learn more. Reason 2. You build a habit. When you study 10 minutes daily, it becomes part of your life, like brushing your teeth, making tea, or checking your messages. You don't need strong motivation anymore. It just happens naturally. Reason 3. You stay confident. Every day you finish your 10 minutes and you feel proud. You think, I did it. I learned today. This small success gives you energy for tomorrow. And many small successes create one big result. And the most beautiful part? Your English grows quietly, without stress, without pressure, just like a tree growing in sunlight. Now say it aloud to yourself. My brain is active and ready. My English is part of my life. I am proud of my daily progress. Part 5. How to practice every day. You don't need a big plan. You just need small, repeatable actions. Here are some ideas. Morning. Listen to an English podcast while you eat breakfast. Repeat 1 or 2 sentences aloud. That's shadowing. Afternoon. Read 1 short article or message in English. Find 1 word you didn't know. Write it down. Say it out loud 3 times. Evening. Watch a short English video. Repeat a few phrases after the speaker. Relax and enjoy it. If you do this, you will learn English 3 times a day in small, easy ways. Now, let's say it together. I can learn English every day. Learning fits into my life. I can enjoy my English practice. Part 6. Be kind to yourself. Some days you will forget. Some days you will be tired. And some days you won't want to study at all. That's okay. You don't have to be perfect. Daily practice doesn't mean never miss a day. It means always come back. If you skip one day, don't feel bad. Just return tomorrow. Start again. The most important thing is not to stop. Learning English is not a sprint. It's a journey. A calm, beautiful journey. Repeat after me. Follow the rhythm. I can always begin again. I learn with kindness. My journey is steady and calm. Part 7. The Garden of Progress. Think of your English as a garden. Every time you study, you plant a small seed. If you water it every day, even for a few minutes, the seed will grow. You may not see the flower tomorrow, but one day you will look around and your garden will be full of life. That's how progress looks. Quiet, slow, steady, but always growing. Echo the words. My English is growing. I am patient and consistent. Every new word is a seed. Part 8. The Power of the Moment. Sometimes we wait for the perfect time, the perfect course, the perfect book, the perfect day. But the truth is, the perfect time is now. 10 minutes today is better than 2 hours one day. So, start right now. Listen right now. Repeat one phrase right now, because every moment counts. Every minute becomes part of your success story. Explain the following to yourself aloud. The perfect time is now. Every minute matters. I can begin learning English today. Reflection, afterthought. Let's pause for a moment. You have listened. You have reflected. You have learned something new. This is what growth feels like. Quiet, gentle, continuous. When you study with peace, you invite English into your daily life. You build not only knowledge, but also patience and confidence. Speak it softly. I am learning with peace. I trust my process. I am becoming fluent, step by step. Final thoughts. 10 minutes a day is stronger than 2 hours once a week, because daily practice keeps your brain awake, builds your habits, and helps you grow with calm, steady progress. You don't need to do more. You just need to do a little, but do it every day. Be patient. Be kind to yourself. Your English will grow. Quietly, beautifully, naturally. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. I'm Ben, and this is Lingportal. Come back tomorrow. Spend just 10 minutes with me again, and again, and again. Because small moments, repeated often, can change everything. Keep learning, keep growing, keep believing with Lingportal.